some people collect, like stealing, magic that time, and they can't kill the kid that time. They are the position. That time, to vote, not to kill, not to attack the kid. And they get down.
The castles of Gondar family were in Ethiopia, the birth of civilization.
And they can't kill the king. They knew this, so they made them to have these things first, before they go inside. Even people, the debtors, the learned clergy, they do these things. They have many things. They burn the crops, and they can even bring, rain sometimes. But they learn it, from the spiritual one. If they do that good for things, God will favor them. If they are doing against the God, bad things out of, one day God will have a time, to punish them, It's not a good thing,
They will reap what they sow.
Mm-hmm.
They will be accused, This is the time he ruled 35 years, the first king. He ruled from 1612 1659. He ruled same time 35 years. Alem-Seghed means he told the world bow to the king. Alem is world, Seghed means kneel down, bow down, both.
Mm-hmm.
The founder of Gondar. Ethiopia is having, we use a calendar, like solar calendar. It's a little bit similar with the Julian calendar, which is adopted by Eastern Orthodoxy, but there is a huge gap from the Gregorian Western calendar because of 7 and 8 year. And so that's why when we come to Ethiopia, that's why Ethiopia is called, there is 7 up to 8 year difference. That's the land of, with Ethiopia, and be 7 years younger. We do have also, we don't have 0 in our number. We borrow 0 from Arabian numerals, but we have numbers start from 1 up to infinite. Yeah, we have numbers. Even our calendar limit counts up to the end of this world. They have a calendar, what we call the church calendar, Abu Shakir, or Bahar Hassab, the church calendar.
So after you get to 9, do you go back to start with 1 again?
Yeah.
You don't have a 0, right?
Yeah, we don't have
1, 2,
0.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
7, 8, 9, and then what's next?
Yeah,
Is it
we have a
infinite?
number this time. Except 0, we have numbers to infinite,
So
Yeah.
you don't have, is it, so you have 10?
No, 0. For example, this alphabet.
This is 1, this is like 10, this is 6, and this is 1600. This is to represent 100. There is this later, 100, and this is 20, and this is 4.
For
16,
example,
24.
100 is one full number.
Yeah. Up
No
to
additional.
16, like 60.
One
You subtract, you get 35 here. We don't have 0. We borrow 0 from the Arabian numerals.
So you don't have a 0.
We don't have.
But it's still a 10
Yeah.
decimal system. So
We have a
it's different.
system for counting that.
He did say something
Yeah.
about maybe they use infinity instead
Yeah.
of zero.
Right.
Pardon?
It's just not called zero.
For example,
Yeah, we
Yeah,
don't
it
have
might be
0
a
in
little-
our number, like in the religious way, counting.
Interesting.
Yeah, we
Why?
start from
Why
1
do you think?
because
Why do you think zero represented? Or I don't know.
yeah, because we think that something is started from something, not from
have
0,
zero.
from scratch. Yeah, there is something, there is someone, some powerful, things. Yeah.
Yeah, that's powerful.
we borrow
Okay.
0 from Arab alphabet.
Let's go.
So you every number has a different symbol,
Yeah.
and like 15 is not 1, 5.
For
it's
example, if
a
you're
different symbol
If you
altogether.
make a 10,
I had this
it's like
assignment where I
this.
had the
If you
students
want to make
develop a
it,
new counting
you write
system,
that there,
and
you will take
it's
the-
possible. Like, you know, the way
But
we
if you- there is no 0, so you
There's no
can't
zero.
put there is
Okay.
no, yeah.
And certainly not the
big number,
There
right?
is numbers
So
in
it's very
whenever
interesting.
we go places.
Children be creative, and you never really think outside the box that way, you know.
They have this alphabet.
It's
You can,
research on
why it is like
history of zero.
emperor or something.
Well, we did it. What did we do? We did it
History
now.
relatively
Some teacher
short.
to speak. Numbers and the alphabets of program.
Okay, so you don't start with 0, you start with 1. So when people are old and they can't get up there, Whether you carry the elderly up here?
Absolutely. We put elders on our back and we bring
That's
them
probably-
up.
Yeah.
Absolutely. We have to take care of elders.
Come on.